Good morning, children. So the last class we have been discussed about the solution for 4.1 exercise. See, after that, now I am going to the continuation, the concepts from the 4.1. So therefore, in this class, I am going to find out the solution for exercise 4.2. Please open the textbook, page number 86. See, the first one is, give the first step, you will use the separation, the variable, and then find the solution for the equations. See, first one. Here, split the equations and find the value of unknown variables. See, first one. X minus 1 is equal to 0. This is an equation. See, solution for this. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Rewrite once again the given problem. Here, our intention is to find out the value of x. So, therefore, x is equal to, if you shift the minus 1 towards the left side, right side, from left side, therefore, the negative integer will become positive integer. Therefore, if you put the x is equal to 1 in the equation 1, then it becomes a 0. So, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, second one. See, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution for this, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 because of positive integer is shifting from left side to right side, then it will become a negative integer. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Similarly, one more the example is third one. X minus 1 is equal to 5. Solution for this, x minus 1 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Minus 1 become plus 1, therefore x is equal to 6 because of both are positive integer like sign, therefore the addition of 5 plus 1 is going to become a 6 it is. And the second main, please open the textbook. In the second main, first one. So give the first step, you will use the to separation of the variable, then solve the equation. So here 3L is equal to 42. Yes. Solution for this, 3L is equal to 42. Here L is a variable. So therefore L is equal to 42 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Remaining 1 is there, so therefore it becomes a 12. 3 4s are. Therefore, L is equal to 14. Next, second one. B by 2 is equal to 6. Solution for this, B by 2 is equal to 6. B is equal to 2 into 6. Therefore, B is equal to 12 into 2, 6 into 2 become 12 B's. So, in this way, we are going to find out the values. So, please note it, the students. The last example is one more. See, Z by 3. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Solution for this, here Z is a variable. So therefore, rewrite once again the given equations. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. So call it equation 1. So therefore, you take the cross multiplication. So 4 into Z is, that is equal to 3 into 5. 4 into Z is 4Z. is equal to 3 5 is 15. Therefore, so z is equal to 15 by 4. This is the solution. Therefore, dear students, the remaining the homeworks are there in the second main as well as in the first main. Please go through the solution. Try to as your level best. If you have the doubts, as and when if you while solving the problems, please come and ask the questions. And the continuation is in the third main. Let us see the continuation classes. Give the step you will use the separate the variables and solve the equation. See first one. Third main. First one question. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Solution for this. Here n is the variable. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. We call it an equation 1. So this is a binomial. In the case of the binomial, there is a transposing is there. So therefore 3n is equal to 46. So the minus 2, if it is shifting towards the RHS side, then it will become positive 2. So therefore 3n is equal to 46 and 2. So that will become a 48 because of both are positive integer and having the like sign. So therefore n is equal to 48 divided by 3. This is a cross multiplication takes place. Therefore n is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So the remaining 1 is there, 3 6 8. So 3 ones are 3, 1 is there, 18. It become 18, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 there. So therefore the value of n is equal to 16. So the next one, second one is, so the 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. So here solution for this, rewrite once again 5m plus 7 is equal to 17, call equation 1. So therefore 5m plus 7 is an binomial. Now I am going to the shift 7 towards the right side. Therefore 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 because of positive sign. It is the 7 having the positive sign, therefore if it is shifting towards the right side, then it will become negative sign. So therefore 5m is equal to 7. This is an 10 it become because of positive 17, in which if you subtract the minus 7, then it will become positive 10 it is. Therefore m is equal to 10 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore the value of m is equal to 2. So in this way we are going to be find the value of unknown variable. Dear students, in the page number 86, exercise 4.2, the so many different type of the problems are there. So please solve the questions and find the value. So that if you have any doubts or any confusion, please ask the questions. And please do it in well on this the chapter because of it is very important. See if you, yes, I will continue the next class.